I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the third lesson of grammar pronouns. This is of class 4. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the grammar pronouns. Now pronouns are words that are used in the place of nouns. Pronouns make sentences better and less repetitive. Compare these sentences. Armin sat under a tree. Armin opened a notebook and began to write something in the notebook. So how will you make this sentence using a pronoun? Armin sat under a tree. She opened a notebook and began to write something in it. Here, she and it are pronouns. They are used in the place of nouns. Armin and notebook. I, me, we, us, you, they, them, she, her, he, his, him and it are pronouns. Now, circle the correct pronouns in the brackets to complete the sentence. My name is Gurleen. I study in class 4. Number 2. I said to Payal, you sing very well. Number 3. Yamini and I are going to the park. We will be back in an hour. Number 4. The students are writing. They have a class assignment. Number 5. Kunal said that he does not know how to fly a kite. Number 6. Amma said that she will come home early today. Number 7. Karan has lost his pencil box. I am helping him find it. Number 8. Joanna said to Mridul, now please listen to me carefully. Number 9. When we reached home, there was a parcel waiting for us. Number 10. Mandeep's pet dogs were hungry, so he quickly fed them. Now, this water bottle is mine. Isn't it this notebook yours? The blue house is ours. Words such as mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs are possessive pronouns. They are used in place of nouns and they show possession or ownership. Now, write the correct possessive pronouns. This book belongs to me. It's mine. Number 2. This watch belongs to Grandpa. It's his. Number 3. This ruler belongs to Kavya. It's hers. Number 4. This car belongs to us. It's hers. Number 5. This pen belongs to father. It's his. Number 6. These books belong to Kavya's friends. They are theirs. Number 7. This pencil belongs to me. It's mine. Number 8. This sharpener belongs to you, Kavya. It's yours. Now, we do not use an apostrophe with a possessive pronoun. This pen belongs to you. It's yours. It's wrong. This pen belongs to you. It's yours. It's also wrong. This pen belongs to you. It's yours. It is correct. Now, pronouns can be divided into 3 classes. Pronouns of the first person are I, me, mine, we, us and hers. A pronoun in the first person refers to the person who is speaking. I am going to watch the play. Pronouns of the second person are you and yours. A pronoun in the second person refers to the person being spoken to. You should come with me. Pronouns of the third person are she, her, hers, he, him, his, it, they, them and theirs. A pronoun in the third person refers to the person being spoken about. Let's ask her to come too. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. One night, as Tenali Raman was about to sleep, he heard the rustling of leaves. He thought, it is not windy outside. They must be thieves planning to rob the house as I sleep. I must do something. He quickly gathered all his money and jewelry. He said out loud to his wife, I will put all my money in a trunk and drop it down the well so no one can steal it. The thieves heard him. Their leader said, Tenali is doing our work for us. We will pull up the trunk from the well and his treasure will be ours. The thieves spent the night pulling up the trunk from the well. It was very heavy. By the time they got hold of the trunk, it was early morning. Tenali stepped out of his house and saw them with the trunk. The leader laughed and said, Too late, Tenali. Your money is no longer yours. It is now ours. We spent the whole night pulling up the trunk. Tenali stood there, smiling. The leader opened the trunk. He was shocked to see that it was full of bricks. There was no money or jewelry. Tenali laughed aloud and said, Well, what are you waiting for? All my treasure is mine. Now, replace the underlined words with pronouns and write the sentence. Hanu said that Hanu would call her friends. So you have to replace these underlined words with pronouns. Hanu said that she would call them. Number 2. Shalini took out a mobile from her pocket. Shalini looked at the mobile. Shalini took out a mobile from her pocket. She looked at it. Number 3. Raina saw a rhinoceros in the zoo. The rhinoceros was huge. Raina saw a rhinoceros in the zoo. It was huge. Number 4. Hina and Manjot are very helpful. Hina and Manjot teach young children. Hina and Manjot are very helpful. They teach young children. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the grammar part of this lesson. Okay, children, I'll meet you in the... Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. And please send your comments. Okay, children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.